Hi everyone, I am Dhanashree from 𝗪𝗶𝘂𝗧𝗓 and today I am going to show you how to connect your WordPress site to Claude.ai for free. And once this is done, Claude can actually go into your WordPress site and read your settings, fix errors and make changes all from the chat window. Let me walk you through it. The first one is AI agent connector for WordPress and the second one is MCP Adapter plugin. I have both GitHub links in the description below, so you can easily find and download them from there. If you are on WordPress 7.0 or above, you only need first plugin. If you are on 6.9 or below, download both. Once you have them, go to your WordPress and admin dashboard and install them. After installing, open the AI Agent Connector plugin setting page. Right here, you will see your client ID and your client secret. Copy this and keep this tab open because you will need them in the next step. Go to Claude.ai, click Customize in the top right. Go to Connectors and click Add Custom Connector. Give the connector a name, then paste in the MCP server URL and add your WordPress site's domain name at the end of it. Open Advanced Setting and paste in the client ID and client secret you copied from AI Agent Connector plugin. Hit Add. Click Connect. If you're already logged into your WordPress site, it will ask you to authorize access. Just click Authorize. If you're not logged in yet, it will ask you log in first and then authorize. Either way you hit Authorize, the connection is live. You will see all your WordPress MCP tools showing up right inside the Claude. So the connection is set up. But to actually let Claude do things on your WordPress site, you need a plugin that has ability support. In this video, we are using the 𝗪𝗶𝘂𝗧𝗓 WordPress SAML SSO plugin because it has ability supports built right in. Install the plugin, open its setting and turn on the abilities toggle. Claude is ready to go. So let us see what Claude can actually do. Type in what abilities are available on my WordPress site. As you can see on screen, Claude comes back and says, your site has 11 abilities available, all related to the 𝗪𝗂𝗧𝗓 SAML SSO plugin. You can see them broken into 3 sections. Right here, configuration and setup, SSO button control, and error fixing. There are other things you can do too, like updating user roles and sending support requests directly to the 𝗪𝗂𝗧𝗓 plugin team. Let me show you one more from that list. When you're setting up single sign-on, one of the first thing you need is your SP metadata URL. Normally, you would have to go hunting for it in your plugin settings. I asked Claude, what is my SP metadata URL? Claude pulled it straight from my WordPress site and gave me the exact URL. I checked it against the plugin setting and it was perfect match. No setting page, no searching around, Claude fetched it in seconds. So that is the full setup. 2 plugin, 1 quick connection in Claude.ai, and Claude goes from a chat tool to something that actually works inside your plugin settings in real time. Completely free. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and there is a lot more coming on Claude and WordPress integration. See you in next one.